Hey guys, welcome to the video. So a few days ago, PlayStation uploaded a teardown video of the new PlayStation 5. The first thing I noticed is the sheer size of this machine. I mean, I knew the console would be big, but this is definitely bigger than I thought it would be. Now, although it's that big, Sony has a really good reason for it. Another cool thing I noticed about the new PlayStation is how each component was crafted for convenience. The stand, for instance, is quite easy to remove and has a section to safely store the screw so it doesn't get missing. The side panels pop out easily, letting us have a look at the massive dual intake fan that gets a lot of air into the console for cooling. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, the reason behind the PS5 being so big is so it can be cooled easily and efficiently. With the kind of performance we'll be getting from the PlayStation 5, cooling is extremely important. Next, there is the mega heatsink on this console. With the large surface area of this heatsink, the heat from the component dissipates and cools the system efficiently. This should make the PlayStation 5 way more quiet than consoles like the PlayStation 4 and probably the Xbox Series X. The most interesting thing in the entire teardown video was the presence of liquid metal as the thermal material on the chip. Here's why liquid metal is kind of a big deal. Liquid metal is better in terms of thermal performance compared to the usual thermal paste, but it's also more expensive. Using liquid metal as a thermal interface material is way more involved than using regular thermal paste on the chip. When using liquid metal, it's important to keep it from spilling out, because if just a drop of it spills out, things could go really bad. Since liquid metal is conductive, if it spills out onto the board and gets in contact with any metal component, it can short circuit the console like that. So in the PS5, you can see some measures taken to prevent the liquid metal from spilling. We have what seems like a rubber or plastic barrier around the liquid metal, and they also placed another foam barrier surrounding the chip. Using liquid metal is indeed risky, but it seems Sony has the engineering part down. Sony took this route in pursuit of great thermal performance. The whole system from design to performance feels so well thought out compared to its predecessors. This is definitely a win in the gaming console space. What do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Okay guys, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.